Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we finally got the full spoilers for the Ipsy May standard bag. So, if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on new spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the June bags for Ipsy. Thank you so much, Bobby MacArthur. Bobby says, great video. Well, Bobby, thank you so much, honey. I really appreciate that. And thank you for having your bell on. I really appreciate you watching the video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I love you. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright everybody, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So again, these are the full spoilers to the standard Ipsy May bag. Now I do have plus and also ultimate full spoilers. I will link those below as soon as I get them out. Now, some of y'all already know the full spoilers, especially if you look to see what was in your own bag. You might have snuck a peek at the rest of them. So those of you who know what you're getting, go ahead and put that down in the comments. I love to see everybody's different bags. It might be a condition, y'all. Nosiness or something like that. Now of course y'all know whenever I do these full spoilers, which you've already been seeing them just put up here on the screen, there's always too many to name, y'all. They've always, usually for the standard bag, there's usually about 40 products or more. So let me know what you got down in the comments. If you don't know what you're getting, let me know what you want to get in your Ipsy bag. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Thank you so much, Elisa Polite. I hope I said that right. Probably didn't, because I can't read anything. Anyways, Elisa says, not feeling these bags at all. Well, Lisa, honey, I thought the same thing. Maybe I shouldn't have said anything. I don't know. It's just, I've seen better. I've seen better. But Elisa, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. But if you would check on that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video. But you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago. And YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.